Hello, welcome back once again. Today we're going to find the value of m in the following given radical equation. Square root of m multiplied by the square root of m multiplied by the square root of m. This is equal to 128. So let's get started. So we have square root of m multiplied by the square root of m multiplied by the square root of m. So this is equal to 128. Now let's square both sides of this equation. Now we can see from here, this square gets cancelled with this big square root. And then we're left with m multiplied by the square root of m multiplied by the square root of m. So this is equal to 128 whole squared. Next, let's square both sides again. So we have m multiplied by the square root of m multiplied by the square root of m whole squared. This is equal to 128 squared whole squared. Now, here comes the magic. Let's take note of the following. When we have a multiplied by b whole raised to the power of n, this is same as a raised to the power of n multiplied by b raised to the power of n. So at the left hand side here, we're going to have the m squared multiplied by the square root of m times the square root of m whole squared. So this is equal to 128 raised to the power of the product of these 2 and 2, which is 4, right? So here, this gets cancelled with this. Then we have here m squared multiplied by, so this is m root of m. So this is equal to 128 raised to the power of 4. Now here, m squared times m, that will give us m cubed, right? So m cubed times the square root of m, then this is equal to 128 to the power of 4. Now let's square both sides the last more time. So here we're going to square both sides for the last time, okay? So here we get m cubed whole squared multiplied by square root of m whole squared. This is equal to 128 raised to the power of 4 times 2. That will give us 8. Here, this gets cancelled with this square root. And then we're left with m raised to the power of 3 times 2. That will give us 6. Multiplied by m, right? So this is equal to 128 raised to the power of 8. Okay. Now, m to the power of 6 times m, that will give us m to the power of 7, right? So this is equal to, now, down here, 128 is same as 2 raised to the power of 7. And here we have a power of 8. So here we get m to the power of 7 is equal to 2 raised to the power of 7 times 8, right? Now we're going to raise both sides to the power of 1 over 7, right? So to the power of 1 over 7. And we can see this 7 gets cancelled with the 1/7. And at the left hand side, we're left with only m, which is equal to, now when you take the product, 7 times 8 times 1 over 7, the 7 gets cancelled with 1 over 7. Then we have 2 raised to the power of 8, which is equal to 256. And this right over here is our correct answer. Thank you for watching. Please, if you really enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to my channel. Also like, comment, and share.